the Kyrie 6 have finally arrived. What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. On this video, I'll be checking out every single one of the 11 sneakers that is part of this preheat pack. So let's go! Before we continue with this video, I would just like to request to help a brother out. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't yet. So guys, we will be checking out every single one of the sneakers that is part of this preheat pack of the Kyrie 6. I'm sure you know that there's 11 sneakers part of this pack, and you also know why it's 11. Well, basically 11 is a special number to Kyrie Irving, but I'm not gonna go into that. What you didn't know is that there's actually 12 sneakers, and I'm gonna show you the bonus one in the end. But for now, let's focus first on the 11 sneakers. As you all know, this 11 sneakers will be released in 11 different cities around the world, and Asia was fortunate enough to have 6 cities that is part of this preheat pack. Let's check out first the sneakers that will be releasing in the US and in Europe. First up, we have the Nike Kyrie 6 New York preheat. Majority of the midsole and the outsole is actually in blue, and then you will see hits of red on the heel counter, on the sock liner, and also part of the outsole. While there's Volt green hits on the Kyrie logo, some of the stitching, the Nike swoosh logo, and also part of the outsole. So again, this New York Knicks preheat pack will only be released in New York, and the retail price is at $140 US. Next up, we have the Houston preheat. So again, these sneakers will only be released in Houston, and the retail price is $140 US. As you can see, the base of the sneakers is predominantly white, and on the heel counter is actually in light gray. One of the most striking feature of these sneakers is actually the strap, because it's in gold. The Kyrie logo is also in gold, while the sock liner is in red. The midsole is in white, while the outsole is a mixture of gray, purple, white, and red. Now let's move up to the LA colorway or the LA preheat. Again, these sneakers will only be released in LA. And the theme of these sneakers is actually the beach of LA. As you can see, the color scheme is more of a color scheme of the beach. As you can see, the base of the sneakers is in light brown or sail that resembles the sand. And on the back, especially on the heel cup, it's in blue, which resembles the sea. So a part of this sail and the blue colors, you will also see some hits of pink, black, and green. Next up, we have the Miami preheat, which actually resembles the Miami Vice colorway, which is the light blue and pink. While the molded heel cup is actually in striking yellow. The outsole is predominantly pink with hits of yellow, orange, and light blue. So again guys, these sneakers will only be released in Miami, and the retail price is also $140 US. Now let's move on to Europe, and the only European city that is part of this preheat pack is Berlin. So this sneakers is actually predominantly red. It gives you a vibe of the Red Octobers. However, there's also hits of pink, especially on the heel cup. And towards the iridescent vinyl, you will see some hits of forest green, black, yellow. You also notice that the red midsole has black speckles. The strap of these sneakers is actually maroon, while the sock liner is in white. Now the outsole is a combination of pink, red, and maroon. Again, these sneakers will only be released in Berlin, and their price is equivalent to $140 US. Now let's move on to Asia, which is very special to me. As you all know, I'm also Asian. I'm from the Philippines, and our city, Manila, is also part of this preheat pack. But let's start first with Taipei, which is actually one of my favorite colorways of this pack. This is actually predominantly navy blue with hits of yellow and orange. And as you can see on the vinyl part, it actually features the fireworks of Taipei. So basically the mesh upper, the strap, and the tongue is in navy blue, while the sock liner, the heel cup, and the midsole is in yellow. Now the outsole is a combination of navy blue, orange, and yellow. Again guys, even though this sneakers is releasing in Asia, you will only get this pair in Taipei. Now China is pretty lucky because it has 3 cities on this preheat pack. First up, we have the Guangzhou colorway or the Guangzhou preheat. This is again one of my favorite sneakers on this preheat pack. I like the blue, the red, the yellow combination on these sneakers. So basically the base of the upper is in blue. So the mesh, the strap, the tongue is in blue, while the sock liner, the heel cup, and the midsole is in red. It also has hits of yellow on the logo, on the logo. It also has hits of yellow. And of course, on the outsole, you have a combination of red, blue, and yellow. Now let's move on to Shanghai. Amongst all the colorways on this preheat pack, this is probably one of the least striking in terms of color, but it's actually nice. It gives me a camo vibe or a military vibe because of the olive colorway. So basically the upper is predominantly olive. You can see the mesh upper on the forefoot is an olive, the strap, the tongue, while the outsole has a combination of white, brown, and olive that gives you the camo vibe. So guys, again, this will only be released in Shanghai and the price is equivalent to $140 US. Now let's move on to Beijing. This is actually predominantly orange, especially on the upper. The mesh is in light orange, the strap, the tongue, while the sock liner, the heel cup, and the midsole is in gray. It also has a lot of hits of red all over the sneakers. Now the outsole is a combination of gray, light orange, and red. So these sneakers again will only be released in Beijing. Next up, we have the most striking colorway of this preheat pack, and this is the Tokyo preheat. As you can see, the sneakers is actually predominantly pink with hits of blue and neon green. So basically almost the whole upper is in pink. The mesh, the strap, the tongue, the sock liner, and even have the heel cup and the midsole. Now the other half of the heel cup is actually in light blue. So basically the outsole is in blue with green, black, and hits of pink. Now this next one is very special to me because it is Manila. So this is the Manila preheat. I like the colorway. This is actually like a dark orange, almost red, but not quite. I like the milky translucent outsole and the gradient effect on the heel counter, which is from white to orange. Another detail that I like about these sneakers is the PH on the middle side of the strap, which actually represents the Philippines. I was very fortunate to get a pair of these sneakers through the sneakers app, and hopefully I would get it soon so that I could review it for you guys. But wait, there's actually a 12th sneaker on this pack. They're only promoting 11 sneakers, but there's actually 12 of them. The 12th sneaker is actually called Unite the World. So So basically, this is the combination of all the preheat pack all in one. So as you can see, there are hits from every single one of the 11 sneakers that is part of this Unite the World sneaker. This was also released here in the Philippines, but I guess it was also released all over the world. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a pair of these for my size. I actually tried to get these pair. It was already on my cart, but unfortunately, when I want to check it out, there was an error and it says it's no longer available. I tried to get another size, but again, it happened. So the only available at that time was size 12, but unfortunately size 12 is too big for me. So that's why I wasn't able to get a pair. So guys, that's it. These are all the sneakers that are part of the preheat pack. So basically there's 11 plus 1. I would like to hear from you which one of these sneakers you like the most, or if you could give me at least a top 3. But I'll be giving you my own top 5. So first of all, I will pick Manila because I'm from there. Then I also like the Shanghai, I like the Tokyo, I like the Guangzhou, and I like the Miami colorway. So those are my top 5 from this preheat pack. So now guys, let's check out in StockX which one of these sneakers really have some heat. So first of all, let's check out which one has the lowest price. So from what I can see here, the lowest price is at $175 US, and this is the Unite the World colorway. So basically the mashup of all the sneakers. So this is the lowest price at $175. Then from the 11 sneakers, the lowest I can see here is the New York colorway, which is at $183 US. So most of the sneakers ranges from $200 to $230 US. However, the China sneakers are actually packing some heat. Like the Shanghai colorway is already at $600 US. The Beijing colorway is $540 US. And the Guangzhou colorway is already at $600 US. Tokyo colorway is not that far at $450 US. While the Taiwan colorway is at $320 US. So basically that's it guys. Are you interested to collect all 11 sneakers or all 12 sneakers? Let me know as well in the comment section down below. It's gonna be expensive because there's 12 sneakers in total, and if you can get all in retail, then go ahead. However, I think it's gonna be hard, especially for the China colorways, because as of this moment, the first day of release, it's already from $500 to $600 US. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.